When I was growing up as a kid, you couldn't buy plastic bottled water. No one even thought about it. But now in Australia, it's a $600 million a year industry. The reality is only 30% of plastic bottles ever end up in the recycling area. A third of them end up out here, and a third of them end up in landfill, where they spend thousands of years breaking down and leaching out into the water table. 50% of fish have got some sort of plastic in their gut. 95% of marine birds have got some form of plastic in their gut. The day comes that I have children, I don't want them growing up thinking that plastic bottled water is just the norm. I want them growing up and going, plastic bottled water is stupid. It shouldn't be here. There needs to be a better way of doing things. The primary driver for water3 is the environment. We want to save the environment. Now, this isn't about how fantastic drinking our water is going to make you. This is about challenging people to think about their own personal impact. We did some studies and worked out to refill one of our machines is the equivalent of a water bottle vending machine being filled 10 times over with about 3 pallets of plastic bottles of water. So there's 150 boxes, that's all that plastic wrap. That is a massive net reduction versus the status quo. As a person, how do you make a difference? How do you make a change? And the way that we can do that as a society is for each of us to make the decision that we're not going to buy products that are bad for the environment. We're going to buy products that fund and support the stuff that's going to clean up this world and make this world a better place. We can reasonably assume that if someone pays $1 to refill their bottle, that we've potentially saved a plastic bottle from being made. We take it a bit further. We then use the revenue that we make from the machines, from selling water, from selling bottles, from selling advertising. We use that to fund things like the Turtle Rescue Sanctuary, a whole lot of cleanup initiatives as well. So we come back to water3, and what does the 3 stand for? 3 is our core values. Think better, be better, do more. That's all we're determined to do, is reduce the use and the impact of plastic water bottles.